Welcome back to Math 107 College Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at the idea of an inverse function. So, the idea of an inverse function is we want to undo the action of the function. So if f of x equals y, and we want to find a function g such that g of y is equal to x. So in other words, with our new function, we're simply going to be switching the x and the y. So if I were to give you f of x is equal to x cubed plus 8. And we want to find the inverse of this. The first thing we're going to do is replace f of x with y. And now is the point that we're going to switch x and y. And now it's just a matter of solving this equation for y. So the first thing we'll do is subtract 8 from both sides. And now we can take the cube root of both sides of this equation. We don't need a plus or minus with the cube root. It's an odd root. And we can perfectly fine get a negative number out of a cubing operation. So we end up with cube root of x minus 8 is equal to y. And then the final thing we do for completeness, I'm going to switch which side of the equal sign things are on, is we use the notation f to the negative first power, although I don't like saying it that way, of x is equal to the cube root of x minus 8. Now, something to be careful of here. F inverse of x is not the same thing as 1 over f of x. That's completely separate notation from the stuff we did earlier with functional arithmetic. The F inverse operator just means we're undoing the operation. So that's how you find the inverse of a function. In class on Thursday, we're going to talk about when an inverse function exists as a function. And we'll see you in class on Thursday.